Hi, I'm Liz from Tiny Farmstead, and today I'm going to show you how to identify and prune tomato laterals. I think of laterals as the armpits of the plant. So you have your stem, and then you have each branch or arm that comes out the side. Here's another one here. And then in that little armpit nook there, you have a shoot. Now that shoot is the lateral, and to remove those, we just pinch those out. Here's a bigger plant, and you can see in each armpit nook there's a lateral. I'm just going to carefully pinch this one out. When removing the lateral, be careful, it opens a wound to the plant. So you don't want any unnecessary damage, and you also want to do this on a day where it's dry and sunny, not when it's wet and humid and there's a greater chance of disease entering the plant. To get some extra plants, pop your lateral into a glass of water. Each of the heads on the stem will turn into a root and you'll have a new plant for the garden.